Hey everyone, Doran here to give you the latest on what's happening in the developer space in the NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today on the agenda we have big news. Today on the agenda we have big news regarding the release of the NEAR JavaScript SDK, news regarding the Aurora to Brave integration, information on Developer Console's new alerts feature, Octopus Network's recent announcement of their new Accelerator program, and Thunder, a compliant DAO grants management tool. With that, let's get started. Let's start with the release of the JavaScript SDK. Big news landed this week at Toronto and the Korea Blockchain Week, where NEAR announced its release of its JavaScript SDK toolkit, a smart contract framework that allows developers to build, test, and deploy smart contracts fully written in JavaScript onto the NEAR platform. This is a great leap for the Web 3.0 adoption, since JavaScript is one of those popular languages out there, being that it carries over 20 million developers. These developers can now integrate themselves into the Web 3.0 space without having to worry about learning a variety of new languages to get started. The Pagoda team has put together a list of resources to help you get started with using a NEAR SDK JS, which you can find linked in the description below. Check it out and have some fun. Brave has now integrated the Aurora EVM network, an Ethereum-compatible network built on NEAR, as one of Brave Wallet's preloaded networks. For all devs building on Aurora, this means any Brave Wallet user can start connecting, transacting, and using your decentralized applications on Aurora with their Brave Wallets, similar to that of a MetaMask user. No extra step is required to get this started, just a simple update to your Brave browser. This is exciting news because it'll bring an increase to the accessibility of Aurora and the NEAR ecosystem to interested users. Update your Brave browser, get started with the Brave Wallet, and check it out today. An effective grants program is a great way to kickstart an ecosystem by providing funding to a project or startup, but managing a grants program can be an incredibly difficult task, especially as demand for those grants grow. Thunder aims to streamline the process for both the end user and the grant operators. On the end user side, it provides a unique place to submit and follow up on a submission to make sure the application process is easier and less stressful. On the grants operator side, Thunder aims to enhance compliance, transparency, and scalability by automating administrative, legal, and payment activities required by the grant programs. Some of the key features of Thunder include calendar integration for project interview scheduling, contract agreement signature with HelloSign, auto-generated invoices, transparent on-chain payments with the integration of AstroDAO, and more. The NEAR Foundation plans to pilot and test Thunder with their grants program. You can find more information in the blog post linked in the description below, and also a working demo in that same blog post. Octopus Network is launching their fall 2022 Accelerator program. This Accelerator program requires you to turn your concept into a substrate app chain testnet in 4 weeks to earn up to $50K USD in funding. The course workshop will cover major topics such as intro to app chain startups, Web 3.0 product design, brand marketing in the Web 3.0 era, crypto community building, token engineering, regulation in the crypto world, and fundraising. At the end of the course, 10 projects will be chosen to present their projects to select industry experts for judging. 5 of the 10 projects will be given the title of Octopus Future Starter, and each project will receive up to $50K in funding. Applications close on the 13th, so that's happening very soon. So apply today, have fun in this Accelerator program, learn a lot, and good luck. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate your time. Remember to buy your tickets for NEARCon. I want to see you guys there. I want to hang out with you guys and have some fun. Remember to like and subscribe and leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. It helps us to improve and know what you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much and have a great and wonderful day.